Hi there, this is Jamie here. Welcome to another session of Vista Export Services. In this session, I'll be taking you through the process of using my real-time application for furniture, buildings, fridges, appliances, flowers, packaging, drinks, food and many more. The app can be launched via a URL link or an executable file using a smartphone or low-spec desktop computer. Users are not required to have a good computer graphics cards. Once the app is launched, you can choose one of the two options. I'm currently using this scene to showcase different models of sofas for a company. However, we can quickly integrate any of your 3D models into the specific scene or any scene of your choice with different functionalities. To rotate, simply left-click and hold and drag the mouse. To pan the camera across, simply click the pan button followed by left-clicking and dragging the mouse. To go back to rotating the camera, simply unclick the pan button and do as previously. As you hover over each button, there's a description of its functionality. As you can see, this function allows users to switch the scene background by clicking on it. Let's first rotate the camera and click to switch the background. As you can see, the scene background has quickly changed to white, as often seen in product renders for websites. This background can easily be customized and changed to any specific background you wish. This button here allows users to change the background to black by clicking here. Or change it back to white. Let's switch the background back to the original scene by clicking here again and switch the lighting back to the daylight. These three buttons here allows users to change the models of the sofa. These models and buttons can be easily customized with any specific product, including buildings, furniture, fridges, appliances, flowers, packaging, drinks, food and many more. Clicking this button allows users to save the current camera angle seen in the viewport. Once the camera angle is saved, this green confirmation message should appear promptly. To go back to the position of the previous camera saved, simply hover over and click on the saved camera. The first 4 cameras displayed on the list are the default cameras. Let's rotate and save a few more cameras to add to the list. Let's go back to the list to open the save camera angles by clicking on them. Let's rotate and save another camera angle. As you can see, users can only save up to 4 new camera angles per product. To save a new camera angle, we'll have to delete one of the existing ones from the current list. To do so, let's go to the list and delete one of these 4 by clicking on the X button seen here. Clicking this button here allows users to instantly save the render seen in a viewport and email it. The current resolution size is 1080 pixels. However, you also have the option to instantly render and email it at 4K and 8000 pixels as seen here. Let's click to instantly email the camera angle at 1080 pixels. You should be prompted with this dialog to enter the email you wish to send the image to. You also have the name, subject and message. Once you're done, simply click to send. You should receive the render within seconds. Please check your junk mail if it's not in your inbox, or simply click to exit here. There's also this function to hide all buttons from the screen by clicking here. As mentioned earlier, everything can be customized for specific projects such as tech products with different backgrounds and functionalities, buildings, furniture, fridges, appliances, flowers, packaging, drinks, food and many more with a click of a button. Finally, you can send this app as a URL link to be opened on a mobile phone or a low-spec desktop computer. If you'd like to try this app or have your own models quickly integrated into it, please contact me on jamiecardo@hotmail.com and I hope to see you on my next one.